Hello there, hope you all are good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's date is 3rd August 2021. My name is Suraj Ingre. I'm from Raisoni College IT department. And today's topic is explain methods of array list and linked list briefly. So let's start it. Firstly, what I describe you. Firstly, I will explain you about what is meant by array list, then array list method, then what is meant by linked list and linked list method. So that's all. That's all I'm including in this video. So let's start it. Firstly, how much means the important properties of array list means what array list contains. So array list means in array list resizable array or growable array are included. Then duplicates are allowed in array list. Then insertion order is preserved for array list, or heterogeneous objects are allowed in a array list, but except tree means tree set and tree map, both means because of the in tree set and tree map they are comparing two objects. So for comparison two objects is compulsory content, means it's compulsory have two homogeneous objects there. So except tree map and tree set, all means in collection all are contains heterogeneous and homogeneous objects are allowed. Then null insertion is possible in array list. So in array means what is the constructor of the array? Firstly, first constructor of array is like array list of A is equal to new array list of creating means array list, new array list. So here we are creating the array list of means we are creating array list of a object which is empty. So means it's empty, but the default initial capacity of array list is 10. So means 10. So we can fill up to 10th. So for after 10th, what means for 11th position, what the process for that. So for the 11th position, for making the array list, make the new array of make the new array. So how the new array is makes means make by array list. So for making the new array, there is one formula is that the current capacity into 1.75. So means here is the position is 10, means the current capacity is 10. So after current capacity into 1.75, so the total is 17 point, means approximately 17. So the new array is means of 17. So here what happened, the old array which contained 10 element which goes to the new array means 10th, and the 11th element is in a new array. So after that what happened to the old array? So old array is in a garbage value. So this is how the new array is created. If the 7 means if the 17th position also fill, then means array list makes the new array with 17 into 1.75 up to 30. So this is how the new array is created. So there are some methods in array like add array means in array list means initial value means reference variable I will taking here I. So I dot add in bracket a. So this is even after that add 10, add null and add a. So here I'm adding 4 elements. So what is in this out statement, what is the output of there? So here the output is like a, 10, null and a. So means this is the sequence wise initial. So here the another method is like remove method. If you want to remove third index out, so the output is like means a, 10, null a. So for a third index there is a, so a is removed and the output is like a, 10, null. So this is how the output is will be shown. Then array list is the best choice, is a frequent operation is a retrieval operation, because array list implements random access interface. Then array list is a worst choice if if our frequent operation is insertion and deletion in a middle. So because of several shift operation are required, then when object travel to a receiver, then a receiver get the object. Receiver makes just one another copy of that object. So why it's receiver making the another copy of object? Because for means the old object, and if there is anything happen to the old object, then the whole code will be gone, means error is happening. So for that, receiver make the another copy of object. So this copy is nothing but the clone of the object, means this is the clonable. So array list is a clonable and serializable. So that's also linked list also clonable and serializable. Then there are some another methods in array list. So first one is like boolean add. If boolean add means it will check what the position means, is there any the element is there or not. Then void clear method is used for to clear all the elements from the list. Then boolean empty is empty means boolean is empty is a method used for to check the array list is empty or not. It's give the output in means true or false form, because you are using boolean. Then object clone. So object clone means then object clone method. So object clone method is used to return a shallow copy of array list. Just I explain how means array list and linked list is clonable and serializable. After that, remove index means if you want to remove a particular index, then you can use remove index method for that. Then set method. Set method is used for the replacing one means one element to the another. Means like set one means in the means the previous example, a null, a 10 null 0. So for that, if I want to replace a element to the b, so the output is like b a 10 null 0. So this is how the output will be shown. Then int size, what it means, int size means the method size will be shown the return the number element present in the list, so it will show the size of the element. So that's about array list. Then I will explain you about linked list. So what is mean by linked list and how it will explain. So underlining the data structure of is a double linked list. Insertion is present in the means insertion is preserved in a linked list. Duplicates are allowed in a linked list. Heterogeneous objects are allowed in a linked list. Null insertion is possible in a linked list. So I will take one example to understand how a linked list work. If you want to build one building, so there is the root of the building. After that, if you want to add one first floor, so you means you have to give the reference to the root, then the first floor you have to build. After that, you want to give means you want to build a second floor. So what means how this is happening, there means here root, after that first floor, and then the second floor. So here you are giving means second floor reference variable reference gives to the first, and first reference gives to the root. So this is how the linked list work. So why we are using linked list? So generally for storage array, for storing array as used, but an array has the many disadvantage, like it have fixed size. So you cannot change the size of the array. Memory wastage in array is much, because means if you are taking 10th size of 10th array and you are putting 3 elements in there, so the 7th means 7 so in the 7th elements are means the array is 10, but you are inputting 3 elements there, so the wastage of 7th is 7 size is wastaging. So for that, you can use a linked list as a another source. Like there are some advantages of linked list, like easy to insertion and easy to deletion. Deletion is occur in linked list, and then the dynamic size also in linked list. Then there are some disadvantage of linked list, like we have to search elements in linearly. We cannot find do in a random access, because just I explained is root, first floor, second floor, third floor. this is how you have to go from root to third floor, fourth floor. You want means what you want to find. You cannot go directly to the fifth floor. You have to go from the first floor, means root floor. So this is how linked list work. This is the main disadvantage of a linked list. Then extra phase for a pointer is needed in a linked list. After that, there are three types of linked list. First is singly linked list, second is doubly linked list, and third one is circular linked list. Then just I have explained in array list. Linked list also implements the serializable and clonable interface, but not random access interface. Then linked list is the worst choice if you are frequent operation or to a retrieval operation. Then methods in string. So in method in linked list. So that's just like a array. There are array list, there are some methods in linked list, and they are just like same. So first method is like add. So if you want to add Suraj in a means add method is used in the linked list. Add Suraj, add 30 as null. So the output is like Suraj 30 null. Then after that means there are like void add method, just I explained. Then void add first method. So means add first means if you want to add particularly at a first position, you can use void add first method, just like that. Void last method is like that. Void last means add last means you want to add at a last position, you can use void last method. Then void means clear method. So clear method is used for to clearing all the elements from the list. Then clone method for making one clone. You can use clone means just like a copy. For making a copy, you can use clone method for that. Then index method, if you want to find the index of one particular position, you can use index method for that. To get first method, guess first method means if you want to first return the first element of the list, you can use get first method there. Guess last method means if you want to find the last method of the last element of a list, so you can use get last method there. Remove method is used to remove one particular element from the list. Remove all, this is also for remove all the elements. Remove first, you can use remove you remove first method to remove first element of the list. Remove last, you can use remove last method to remove the last element of the list. Then just like set method is used to replace the element, means one element to the older element to the newer element. And the size means if you want to check the length of the size means of the linked list, you can use size array size method for that. So that's all about methods of linked list and array list, and explanation of linked list and array list. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you.